This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Pam Sharon. Welcome to Tree Line Court. Enjoy maintenance-free living in this fully updated condo at Village of the Pines. A 55-plus community, in a super convenient location, offering a heated community pool, shuffleboard, library, clubhouse and a variety of social activities. Offering a remodeled kitchen with granite tops, soft close cabinets, backsplash, stainless appliances and lighting, along with easy care ceramic wood plank tile floors, remodeled bathrooms, and new daylight concept solar tubes for more natural light. This condo has hurricane-resistant impact glass at the picture window, slider and kitchen window. Popcorn ceilings removed, and newly tiled and rescreened enclosed lanai with insulated, high-density thermal glass. The homeowner's fee includes water, sewer, trash, landscaping, pest control, common area maintenance, community amenities and basic cable. This property has parking for 2 cars and is steps to the walkway for access to the pool and community center. Bike to the grocery store or just a short drive to the world-famous Siesta Key Beach. This property is priced to sell and will not disappoint. Call today for a private showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Pam Sharon at 941-993-3388.